In this video, I'm going to show you how to add account numbers in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, first you want to go to the top right and click on Settings. And then to turn on account numbers, you want to go over here to where you can see Account and Settings. And then you want to click on the Advanced tab on the left. Now, whenever you do this, you want to go and basically find the Chart of Accounts section, which is over here. You want to click on it and you want to turn on or enable account numbers over here by switching this on, okay? So that's going to enable them, and then over here, as you can see, you can also check the box which is called Show Account Numbers if you want them to display on reports and forms. So I'm going to click on Save right now. There we go. It's been saved. The first part is done. And now you can just go and assign account numbers. So you want to go to up here, Settings again, and you want to click on Chart of Accounts over here under your company. When you do this, then you want to go and basically find your accounts. As you can see, these are now my accounts over here, and they now have fields where you can basically add numbers, okay? So what you can do over here, you can click on this batch actions over here, and you can basically add account numbers. So if I just go ahead, for example, and add these like that, so I'm just going to go ahead and mark a few of them, batch actions over here. I can go and click on over here where it says lock accounts or my pardon, I think it's actually batch edit. Yeah, there we go. This is going to be the one. So you want to go to the over here where you can see the numbers, and you want to type in your numbers, okay? So in here you can just do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you want to name them, and then that way basically you can successfully add numbers and assign account numbers to specific accounts. Then click on the save button top right, and yeah, there we go. As you can see, you now have numbers next to your account. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.